Welcome to Knowledge Bites. In this video, we'll explore simple ways to practice mindfulness and reduce stress, helping you enhance your personal development. If you're interested in self-improvement and life skills, make sure to subscribe for more bite-sized lessons. What is mindfulness? Mindfulness is the practice of being present and fully engaged with whatever we're doing at the moment, free from distraction or judgment. This powerful practice can reduce stress, improve focus, and enhance overall well-being, aligning perfectly with your personal development goals. Let's dive into some simple mindfulness techniques that anyone can incorporate into their daily routine. First up is deep breathing. Take a moment to find a comfortable position. Slowly inhale through your nose, allowing your belly to expand. Now, exhale gently through your mouth, releasing any tension. Repeat this process a few times to activate your relaxation response. Next, we have body scan meditation. Close your eyes and mentally scan your body from head to toe. Notice any areas of tension and consciously release that tightness. Feel the relaxation flowing through you. Moving on to mindful walking. Instead of rushing through your walk, pay attention to the sensations in your legs and the rhythm of your breath. Observe your surroundings, the colors, sounds, and scents. Turn this simple walk into a powerful mindfulness practice. Another great technique is gratitude journaling. Each day, write down 3 things you're grateful for. This simple act shifts your focus from stress to positivity, nurturing a mindset of abundance. Now, let's talk about progressive muscle relaxation. Start by tensing the muscles in your toes for a few seconds. Then, release and notice the difference. Gradually move up through your body, tensing and relaxing each muscle group. Next is visualization. Imagine a peaceful place where you feel safe and relaxed. Engage all your senses to create a vivid mental image. What do you see, hear, and smell? Now, let's introduce some yoga and stretching. Simple poses can be done anywhere, helping to release tension and increase flexibility. Combine these movements with your breath for an enhanced mindfulness experience. Regular mindfulness practice can lead to incredible benefits, such as lower stress levels, improved sleep, and a boost in mood. It also enhances emotional regulation, supporting your overall personal development journey, and promotes self-care and overall well-being. Remember, mindfulness is not just a technique. It's a lifestyle choice that empowers you to embrace the present moment. As we wrap up, I encourage you to try these mindfulness techniques and see how they impact your stress levels. If you found these tips helpful, give this video a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Stay tuned for more content on personal development and life skills. Which mindfulness technique will you try first? Let us know in the comments.